You're spending 24 hours with yourself every single day. So why would you trash talk yourself? You've been through so much. You've been hell. You've been through tough moments and you're still here and still you're talking trash to yourself.
Welcome to the How to Heart Show, helping men reconnect to the heart and empower others as the leaders they were born to be. I'm Vincent Haasboom. The world needs the raw and authentic men right now. Join us if you're ready to make a change.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the How to Heart Show. Negative self-talk. We as human beings are easy on talking negative to ourselves. There's always a problem. Something is always wrong. We're not good enough. There's always something. Negative self-talk. Yeah, I can say stop doing that, but it's difficult, I know. But it's really important to be aware of what you're saying to yourself. If you tell yourself every day that you're not good enough, that you're stupid, that you're not worthy enough, you're gonna believe it. You're gonna believe those words. Imagine yourself in a room and you're being held captive and they're gonna torture you. They're gonna tell you on a tape recorder over and over again how stupid you are, how dumb you are, that you're not worthy of anything in life, that women don't love you, they don't like you, they don't want you. This is gonna repeat over and over again. They're gonna put a mic or a headset on your phone, you're gonna put a headset on your mic, put a headset on your head, and they're gonna put those messages over and over again. What do you think is gonna happen? You're gonna believe it. You're gonna believe what it's telling you. You're gonna believe that you're not good enough, that you're not worthy enough, that women don't like you. You're gonna believe it. And you're gonna struggle telling yourself, no, it's not true, it's not true. But in the end, you're gonna cave in. You're gonna believe it. And then you're gonna be programmed by yourself. But it's not so simple as that, because also there's feelings to it as well. If you're gonna get rejected, you're gonna get these feelings. And then you're gonna tell yourself, or you're gonna feeling of pain that she rejects you. And then you're gonna create these soothing words. You see, I'm not good enough. I already knew that I wasn't good enough. Just to put yourself in this victim mode and tell yourself these things just to calm yourself, just to soothe yourself. But are these true? What you're telling yourself? Is this really the truth that you're telling yourself? No, it's not. So the things that you're telling yourself is so important, and we talk so much negative about ourselves. And the most important relationship that you can have is with yourself. You're spending 24 hours with yourself every single day. So why would you trash talk yourself? You've been through so much. You've been hell. You've been through tough moments, and you're still here, and still you're talking trash to yourself. You're an amazing human being. You've been through so much and you survived. You are a fighter. You got this, man. You got this. You are a powerful man. But you just have to see it for yourself and stop telling you a nonsense. It's not going to bring you any further. It's not going to help you anywhere. And my advice is really catch yourself when you're talking things to yourself that isn't true. So if, for example, if you're going to get rejected, tell yourself, well, she just rejects me and that's fine. She's not the right person to be with me. Instead of saying, well, she's out of my league, she's difficult to get. No, she's not. She maybe have a bad day. Tell yourself that. Change the story. Change how you see yourself. And you're gonna feel a lot better because you're not gonna be drowning and pickering and blistering about what could have happened or what she might have if she really talked to you. Just let it go and move on. It's not gonna help you. And I know it's difficult, but it's practice. It's not when you gonna get rejected and yourself like, oh yeah, it doesn't matter. No, you need time. It takes practice. You're gonna feel pain. It hurts, but don't take it personal and don't bully yourself, telling yourself that you're not good enough or whatever that you're telling yourself. Change the story. You have to practice. And if you notice that you're telling yourself that you're not good enough, just be mindful and be gentle with yourself. Don't punish yourself like, I told myself this and Vincent told me that I need to do this. No, it's okay. Tell yourself, okay, I know now, I see now that I'm telling myself this. Okay, next time when this happens, I'm gonna correct myself. I'm gonna say like, no, it doesn't matter. I feel good. I feel good about myself. I'm amazing. I love myself. Tell yourself those things, and you're gonna change those chemicals inside your body. Your cells is gonna adapt that because your body keeps the score. Your body registrate everything that you do and say to yourself. It's like a computer. When you download yourself, I'm not good enough, over and over again, you're going to program that into your system and you're going to believe it. And that's the thing. You have these limiting beliefs about yourself because you spend over and over and over telling yourself, but also other people told you those things. Or for me, for example, when I went to school and they told me I wasn't a good learner because of my learning disabilities, I believed it. I believed what they told me, but it isn't true. The things that you've been conditioned by, the things that you're telling yourself, they're not true. That's what you believe are true and what you're telling yourself are true. So start changing your lingo, the things that you're telling yourself. Start changing that to a positive state. Also the behavior, stand straight up. I'm good enough. I'm worthy enough. I love myself. That's also really important, your stance, how you stand. If you just crooked and just leaning over and with your eyes to the ground, that's not confidence. You are a confident man. Stand up straight. Tell yourself that you're good enough. You're powerful enough because you are. You are an amazing, a powerful man.
Hey Lions, thank you for listening. Glad to have you on our journey to the authentic self. Want to learn more to embrace your potential? I invite you to keep listening. Do me a favor and smash the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps the show reach more listeners who need to hear these messages. See you next time.